Memecoin trading can feel like a roller coaster, full of mistakes that either reset you back to square one or leave you worse off than before. I've been through those rough patches many times, but after testing different tactics, I finally discovered an approach that makes sense and delivers real results. In this video, I'll share the method I personally use when launching meme coins, so you can clearly see the process and decide if you want to try it yourself. The turning point came when I stopped viewing meme coins as quick cash grabs and instead treated them as actual projects. That shift completely changed my outcomes. These days, I focus almost entirely on fresh launches. Like most people, I started with pump funds since that's where the buzz is. The downside, though, is the environment is overcrowded, and simply showing up isn't enough. Even with a decent plan, luck is a huge factor, and losses happen often before landing a win. That chaos on Pump Fun pushed me to search for something more practical, eventually leading me to Raydium. For me, it's the better path for launching. The system there feels smoother. Less noise, clearer numbers, and more room to build something lasting. Pump Fun pumps out launches endlessly, while Raydium slows things down. Since only a limited number of tokens drop every minute, your project actually has space to stand out. I tried countless approaches, but the simplest way I found to launch on Raydium was through bitlyxsol. It eliminates the usual headaches: no coding, no messy setup, just a clean, simple process. In only a few clicks, your token can be live. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the full process. Let's dive in. Step 1 will be logo creation. So let's launch Canva. A logo is non-negotiable when creating a meme coin. It's the first impression your project makes, and if it doesn't grab attention instantly, people lose interest. The crazier, funnier, or more unique it is, the more memorable it becomes. The easiest way is to build off a meme that's already trending. With just a quick search online, you'll find more than enough ideas. For this example, I'm going with Talking Tom. It's popular, recognizable, and works well. Just make sure to resize it to 128 by 128 pixels and save it before moving forward. Once the logo is ready, the next move is creating the token. The process is straightforward. Connect your wallet, approve the pop-up, and confirm. From there, follow the on-screen prompts, and within minutes, your token will be live. This is where you set the essentials: name, ticker, description, and logo. For this walkthrough, I'm naming it Talking Tom with the ticker TOM. The description is your chance to stand out, make it witty, fun, or memorable. After filling it in, upload the logo and proceed. When you hit the step 2, don't stress, it looks complicated, but you don't need to tweak anything. Just leave the defaults and continue. Security is critical here. The revoke authority options are designed to protect your token's image. Revoke freeze ensures trades can't be stopped. Revoke mint prevents new supply from being created. Revoke update locks the contract permanently. These are visible to everyone, so leaving them off can hurt your project's credibility. The smart move is to enable them all, then click Launch My Token Now. Your wallet will prompt for confirmation, approve it, follow the steps, and your token will go live. By the way, I also want to quickly announce the winner of the giveaway from the previous video. Congratulations to them! If you'd like a chance to win in the next one, make sure to join my Telegram group so you don't miss out on upcoming giveaways. To verify, check it on SolScan. If it shows up there, it means the token is active on the blockchain. You'll see total supply, live transactions, and project details. But don't celebrate just yet. The launch isn't complete. There's one final step left. For your token to be tradable, you need to add liquidity. Luckily, it's super simple. Click the liquidity button and follow the walkthrough. That button redirects you to Raydium. Connect your wallet at the top right, select your provider, then import your token by pasting the bitlyxsol contract address into the token field. Once it appears, finish the setup by clicking Add User Token and selecting it from the list. Since our supply is 1 billion, we're putting 900 million into the pool. Next, pick your quote token. On Raydium, SOL is the default and also the safest choice, so we'll stick with that. Decide how much SOL to pair. I recommend using the maximum since liquidity isn't locked. You can withdraw anytime. Just remember to keep at least 0.2 SOL in your wallet for fees. Now set the fee tier. My suggestion is 2%. It's the sweet spot that's worked best for me. You can experiment with others, but I can't vouch for them. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve in your wallet, and your token becomes tradable. Once the pool is live, it will instantly appear on Photon for trading. The next step is monitoring the market's response. I'll show you the charts so you can watch it unfold. DexScreener is my go-to charting tool. Compared to Photon, it's smoother and better for tutorials. Just open any coin, paste your bitlyxsol contract address into the search bar, and your chart will load. Focus on liquidity. That's the lifeblood of your project. Be aware that bots are everywhere and unavoidable. Also, check your portfolio on Raydium to see all your positions and tokens. Your liquidity position typically appears within 10 to 15 minutes, so don't stress if there's a delay. Here's a time lapse of this launch. Patterns emerge fast. Bots move instantly. Totally expected. Watch trading volume closely. As buyers step in, liquidity and market cap grow. Your profits tie directly to liquidity. Once your position shows up on Raydium, that's your green light to move to the final step. Head to Raydium's liquidity section and locate your LP position. Hit the minus button and drag the slider to 100%. Ignore the numbers at the top. They're misleading. Focus instead on the SOL amount displayed below. Once satisfied, click Remove Liquidity, approve in your wallet, and you're done. The moment that confirmation alert appears, your earnings are already in motion. Give your wallet a refresh and you'll see them immediately. In my case, I made a small profit within minutes. Nothing massive, but repeating this process steadily adds up. Remember, this entire video is purely educational. I'm not affiliated with Photon, bitlyxsol, DexScreener, or any platform I mentioned. I'm just showing the steps I personally take. That said, the system looks promising. If it resonates with you, this might be the right moment to give it a try.